Welcome back to the channel for another tour. Today we're in Goshen, St. Elizabeth at Genesis Manor. Right? This is a very welcoming living room, as you can see. It's well staged, very beautiful. Alright, so today we're gonna show you what Genesis Manor has to offer.
Definitely. So this is a very intimate community and it boasts 24-hour security. Yes. So you have your walls up, you have your security here, right? Nobody can just walk through. 24-hour security. The amenities here will include a pool, clubhouse, multi-purpose court, and of course you have a beautiful community, right? A beautiful, warm, close-knit community. The units here comprise of a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,662 square feet with approximately quarter-acre space.
Quarter-acre, that's massive.
It's huge.
Quite an unusual offering from a developer to be offering quarter-acre lots. Right, so you can do so much at the back of these homes with that quarter-acre.
And the unit that we're sitting on right here is sold already. So unfortunately, y'all can't buy this. But if you do want to buy something here, y'all have to hurry because they're going.
Yes,
all right?
Yes, definitely.
So we're going to show you one of the additions that was made to this unit at the back. With all the spaces that is there, like what you can do. Spaces here.
Stay tuned for that. We're going to show you what possibilities exist here. So as we say, we're in Goshen, St. Elizabeth. Stay tuned. All right, here's the tour.
Are you subscribed yet? Are you subscribed to the Develppment family? If you aren't, you are missing out, all right? Subscribe. Hit that subscription button right now. Turn on your post notification bell, and that's the one with the dancing icons at the side. And give us a thumbs up for this content. And if you like our content, then support us. Support us by subscribing. Support us by hitting the notification bell, the one with the dancing symbols, and support us by giving us a thumbs up. And if you want support from us too, you know what? You can become a D-Squad member. Okay? Become a channel member today. And you can join our Patreon family as well. Now let's get to it. We're at Genesis Manor today. And I want to highlight that we are outside. And the space out here is huge. Huge. Compared to what we've seen elsewhere. They're getting a quarter-acre for these 2-bedroom, 2-bath units. And we're now just in the front yard. Like, look at what you can do here. Look at the potential that lies here in St. Elizabeth. Breadbasket parish, you know. All right, so you have your red dirt down here. You can plant up your food. You can plant up your mango tree, your ackee tree, your breadfruit tree. Them have orange tree over there. So I am jealous. I really am. Now this is the driveway, and with these units you also get a garage. And this garage is an automated garage, so you can always flip up and down and you have access to the house from the garage. Now let's go to the front patio. All right? Come on. By the way, wanna see about this? Y'all seen that? This is the side of the house, you know? Remember go touch it. My son say it's real. It's real, okay? This is possible. Look. Orange. Yeah, remember, you know, breadbasket parish, like, you can get this, okay? You know almost a dozen orange? Trust me. Let's go inside. So this is the patio, and we have some light steps to go up. Let's go. We have a pretty decent patio as well. All right. And as we enter, you'll find the living room. And the living room has a really good space as well. Come on in. Now, when we enter, we are greeted by these sturdy protective doors. All right. When you enter, you're greeted by this really nice living space. I say it's nice because it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit, and a lot of the times you get really small living space. But this is pretty good. You have ample space for your television, so you can make this into your entertainment area, whether it is to watch your TV, whether it is to socialize with your family and friends and your kids. They got space, all right? you can do your thing right here. I do like that. But when you sit right here, there's a very interesting feature of this unit that I really like, and I find it to be rather unique. So this unit is a vaulted roof or a hip roof, whatever you want to call it. It goes like this, okay? It goes like this. And I love the fact that they have this nice wooden feature.
Yes, the rafters.
Yes, so rafters. Come in with the words then, babe.
Yeah.
Mr. Develppment, come in with the words. Rafters. So the rafters are up there and it's beautiful. It's good for you to look at. But there's also the added feature that has been placed here. I love the fact that they have the recessed lights in this feature. I love the fact that it's in a different color, so it emphasizes its presence and it gives a little bit more flair to the ceiling when you sit. So not only do you have the beautiful wood feature in the roof, but you have this hip or this edge that's running along that brings great emphasis.
This feature that they brought in, I mean, if they had done a tray ceiling, a complete tray ceiling, you would have hidden these wooden rafters, which, you know, kind of defeats the purpose. So to maintain the look, that traditional look with the rafters in the ceiling, they just still added the modern touch by having these recessed lighting going around the edge beautifully, just like this.
Yes, and of course it adds the added feature of light. It increases the light in this area, which is really nice. You have your light right here, your hanging light, your hanging chandelier, which is a great feature, and I do like it. I love the way it looks. By the way, this is optional, right? So you find with some of these units that when you come to purchase, you have the option to change out certain things depending on how early you come. Sometimes at an additional cost, sometimes it can be just fitted in for you. All right. Now we come this way, we have our dining area, and I love the fact that this model is here, which shows you the potential of the space. So you can actually have your dining table with your chairs here, where you can have your traditional dinners and breakfast like what I'm used to when I'm younger. All right, so that is great. But we step into this kitchen, and I do like this kitchen. I like it because it kind of gives me a warm feeling. Like, I like cooking, so you know, when you walk into this kitchen, you have enough space. You know, if you are bumped up yes, you don't have to be bumping in people. And you have enough counter space. I like to have my little gadgets in the kitchen, which Adrian doesn't necessarily agree with having. Don't even talk to Adrian. Like, give him a little talk for me. Like, come on. Let a girl live a little.
What I really like is the fact that there's no back door down here, minimizing the space in the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so it makes you can take advantage of the wide kitchen that we have here. So that's definitely a plus.
And if you are looking at, say, another door to exit, remember that there's a door here that leads into the garage that I mentioned before. So this door leads into the garage. You can exit and enter through this door as well. What I like about this unit too is that for the doors that are inside, so they have molding going around the doors, and it really adds that extra feature to the home. You know, a little extra dressing, like you just would put a little pretty up, you know, put on your little eyeliner, you look, you know, it just looks different and it makes it look more high-end. It gives a higher feel of decor, right? So I like these cupboards. I love wooden cupboards. I love the feel of it. I love the fact that it looks nice and sturdy.
And natural wood, really
natural wood.
Yes.
Now this can be optional in some of the units. So you do have to come in and speak to the developer when you are going to make your purchase. All right. I love the fact that they don't have the traditional handles that are here, but you have the indenture that you can use to open and shut your cupboards. And you have your drawers for ample spacing. You have tons of other cupboards, so you can actually store your food, store away your glasswares, your eating wares, your cookwares, everything. All your wear them, you can have them here. So, all right.
Well, not all your wears because some of the wears will be in your bedroom. But we get the gist.
You get the gist. All right. So I love this backsplash as well. Speak to your developer as well as it pertains to the backsplash. And this can be optional as well. We have our 30-inch space here for your stove, so you can have your nice stove here. You have your nice cabinetry. But what I want to carry your attention to is this right here. So the units, we were told, will come with a space that you can install your washer, your dishwashers. For those of us who are not so into dishwashers, are not so dishwasher friendly, you can opt to just leave the spaces with a dummy space that will be here. So there's a dummy drawer or cupboard that will be fitted in place. So if you don't want to utilize this space as for your dishwasher, it can still be there to use for other things. All right. You have your 2-drop sink, right? You have your sink right here. I love these faucets, so you can have it to go peep peeps, right? You can turn it on and off, and of course you have this right here as well.
They feel very sturdy.
Yes,
they're very sturdy.
And this is for your soap. Okay, guys.
Dispenser, eh?
Soap dispenser, automated, so you can have it right here, your soap dispenser, and touch and go. This is for your plates, so you can always have your plates tucked away right here for easy use, for easy reach. I love the fact that there are some glasses here, so if you want to put your nice little glassware right here, it's there as well. So this is the space for the refrigerator right here. I love the fact that there are cupboards above it, so you're maximizing your storage space. I also like the fact that there's a little bit of space to this. There's an option for you to expand your refrigerator to the side.
If you have a little more bossy taste, if you have more expensive taste.
And if you know, say your family name no fan, this can't manage your family food. You want a little bigger one, you can opt for that. So I do like that option as well. Right? So yeah, these countertops, I almost forgot the countertops. So this is granite. Some of the units may be quartz as well. So you have a mix between. So remember, when you come, you speak to your developer to see what will be in your specific unit. So I want to show you, this is a map over here. So this is like a map of the community. And I want you all to look at this map. You see how much of them are sold and under contract? So you know that these units are going, baby. They're going, baby. We are right here. So this unit is already sold, right? And then you have your amenities right here. You have your common area. This is where you're gonna have your pool, your clubhouse, your multi-purpose courts, and all those things. Now let's get into the bedrooms. No want to see the size them of the bedroom. So what I love about this unit too is the space that you get. The space that you get out of Kingston. When you're in Kingston, in Portmore, sometimes you can get spaces that are not so big. Now, when you come out to the country area, as we like to say in Jamaica, there's more land space here. You get more space for your money. So this is the passageway that leads towards the bedrooms and also the laundry area. Let's feature the primary bedroom first. Let's look at this. So as we enter, we have a nice door. I like the design on this door. Oftentimes, you get the doors that are inside the units are very cheap and they don't really put much emphasis in it. I love the fact that they emphasize, at the primary bedroom, this year coming up, door different. All right. So when you enter primary bedroom, you still have your moldings on the doors, and you have immediately to your right or to your left, whichever way you are directed, you have the bathroom. The bathroom is nice and very clean cut. So the color on the walls, you have your beige walls, which gives you a nice, spacious, clean look. And of course, these stones are really wearing these days. You have your ribbon following right through into your niche in the bathroom. You have your walk-in shower. and this door feels very nice. So you have your walk-in shower with complimentary tiles right here. You have to step in. You have your window right here, and this is becoming a growing trend to have these form of shower faucets, right? And of course, you know, you have the tall one, you have the short one if you want to get into different areas and creases and clean your bathroom and all them things there. So I do like this feature. Oh, look at that too.
Clicking.
Yeah, you can actually turn it at different angles. So that's really nice. So we have our bathroom right here. We have our toilets. Nice water toilet here. Them toilets here expensive. Okay?
Yeah. Not a cheap toilet.
Toilets are not cheap. Trust me. Trust us. Okay? Toilets are not cheap. I like this. It's different, but different in a good way. So you have it. It looks as if there's like a clear glass on it with the top. It's easy to clean. You do still have your space where you can put a little decor item up here. So I have your glass that complements. So I like this area. I like the fact that you get so much light coming in. I can see myself. I look so cute today. Do I look cute? I look cute today. Okay. So I love the fact that you have the lighting above the glass. That's a really neat feature for females. Like, females love this. Can see yourself properly. But you do get a really good lighting from this bathroom window. It's really good. So you can see yourself even without turning on the light. And that's awesome. When we come out, we have this big space. I love the fact that you have this space right here. I mean, this is a good space, you know, for a bedroom, you know.
Definitely.
Because some of these units that we see, the space is so small inside. So for you to step out of your bathroom and you have all this space, I mean, you can put something right here if you want to utilize this space, but you can put a nice little table right here or something to hang your stuff on. You step into the room, and by the way, I want to point out the floor and the ceilings. So the floor in this particular unit, the floors are porcelain tile, but they are of a wooden accent. All right, and this is optional. This is a option that you can opt for as well if you do choose a unit here. And when you look at the ceiling, so we are transforming from the vaulted ceiling, traditional wooden ceiling, which is beautiful in the living room, and we are transforming into a tray ceiling in the bedroom. And this tray ceiling also boasts recessed lights.
And not down finish.
Not down finish. And we have your nice additional center light in the middle. And let's talk about the space of that room. A space like this is a king size bed. This is your king size bed, alright? Listen. But I put one 4-poster bed right there, so. Ask Adrian. 4-poster bed, my eyes there. Yeah? Tell him, you're to start saving money. 4-poster bed, alright? So 4-poster bed right here can really work. Because that bulky bed right here, you can still walk around. You get so much space. This is a king size bed, and you have so much walking room over this side and over that side. If you take a look, the window is huge, letting in a ton load of light if you want to. Of course, you can use your blackout curtains to get rid of that if you when it's night. But the windows are huge, so letting a ton load of light, and you have this big space that you can manipulate. You can also put a seat here. I would put a nice little lounge chair right here where you can lie down and, you know, do your little thing right at the foot right here. You have your closet. Let me open. So this is your closet, and these are aluminum glass doors, as Adrian said. Aluminum glass doors, and you also have up here your glass finishing windows, well, space that you can basically store away things in the cupboard. And I love this. I always speak about this in the homes, because this actually, you're taking into consideration the person who is buying this unit. We're going to have to store things up there anyways. And when you block it off like this, that we can safely, neatly tuck away and the place still neat and organized, I love that. I just love that. Love that. I love that touch. These have moldings around them as well, which is really awesome. Now that we've seen the primary bedroom, let's go look at the secondary bedroom. So now the secondary bedroom is all the way down the passage, straight ahead. But before we reach to the secondary bedroom, we have the bathroom. So this bathroom will be shared with the living room and the secondary bedroom. This is it right here. Nice as well. I love the color on the wall. So this color is what, blue or green, whichever one you prefer, just name it. All right, I love the color on the wall. It really looks great, and when you complement it with the tiles that are here, it gives a nice warm you want to come in feel. This is the vanity, and the vanity is different from the one we saw in the primary bathroom. So this still boasts space. You do have your mirrors, your mirror right here that you can look at to get your job done, and you're getting a ton of light as well from the bathroom window.
One thing I must say is the finishing in this place is impeccable. They pay attention to detail,
and I do like that.
The theme, the color theme throughout, very well done, because even look at these tiles, these end strips for the tiles. Look at that. It matches. So nice. That will show you how much emphasis they put in.
Nice,
right?
That's nice.
Yes.
That's very nice. And I like the fact that, so you do have your walk-in shower as well for this bathroom, as well as your niche. So this shower faucet is different. When you come, you may see a different shower faucet, and you do have the option to request from the manufacturer or from the developer at an additional cost sometimes. So negotiate, talk to them, find out what's possible. All right, I love the fact that right here is tiled, so it's easy to clean. You just give it a wipe and you're done. All right, so let's go into the secondary bedroom. So this is the secondary bedroom. And when you enter as well, you get a similar running theme. You have your tray ceiling. You have, and I do like how the tray ceiling looks in this room. It adds a certain dimension to the room. Instead of it just being flat, with this, it actually gives more accent, you know, more flair, more flavor. So you have your base moldings and your crown moldings. I love the fact that they have the trimmings on the doors and over the closet. You do have your glass doors for your closet as well in this bedroom. So we have our queen bed, and the queen bed is here, and you still have sufficient space. You can put a seat over there. So you know, they did try to, you know, give the allude to the imagery over here. You can put a nice little seat that you can sit down and lounge around. You know, me like for lounge. So when I have a nice little chair, you can sit here and do your work and do stuff. You can even probably make it into a little work area. If you do have kids, you can put a nice little table there so that they can do their homework, have their online classes in this room as well. So me like it. But let's go outside. Remember, I was telling you that this unit has the outside of this unit is really big. This unit is sitting on approximately 1/4 acre, and that leaves you with a lot of space to do a lot of additions around there. So let's look at the laundry area first in this section. So this is your laundry area, guys. Very sizable. You have your sink, you have space, you can put up your cupboards, you can utilize this space for different areas, for different purpose as well. Warm sunlight in Jamaica. So I mentioned this is the breadbasket parish, right? So when you look at the soil, red soil, you can plant your things there, man. Plant up your things there. Now, this is the backyard. So look at the backyard. This is huge. You get a huge backyard, and this particular owner, the owner for this particular unit that we are displaying today, wanted a gazebo at the back. This is a pretty spacious gazebo, and you even have your walking trail. I just imagine there being grass growing all through this in the future. So we have our gazebo right here. Pretty good size, I must say. Decent size gazebo. and in a decent size backyard. Alright, so what more could you ask for? You can plant up your trees. You can have like that tree are really big, you know. Like, can you believe having a big tree like this in your backyard? You can put on your chairs, them, so you know when the sun is out in the days, you have your shaded area around here. I like it. I like that tree here. That tree here have a buzz. Have a buzz. I like it. But look at the area. Look at the space from the back. At either side of the unit, you have this really nice space that you can do so much with. All right? So when you come out of Kingston and St. Catherine, you have a ton load of space that is being offered to you down this side. All right? So don't count out this side. And remember, developers are all over the island developing units, developing communities in various parishes. So no count out no parish. You know? We are going to show you at the end of the year a video highlighting basically some of the many developments that are going on in Jamaica, so that you can look from your standpoint and say, hey, enough things are going on, I just need to look around. All right? And if you want to know what going on, come over to the Develppment family. Subscribe to our channel. Turn on your post notification bell, put it on all, and then give us a thumbs up so our content can keep growing and growing and growing and reach to you even more. All right? So come look at the garage. So remember, this is the garage that you can enter from the home, from inside. So when you come in, remember, this garage is automated. So this system would be in place for you to open and shut your garage. And this is a one-car garage, but it really has a huge space as well. Of course, you have your base molding and your crown molding even coming through in the garage. So I do like it. We'd like to thank the listing agent, which is Andrew Duncan. His contact information can be found in the description box below. So click on that, get your information down from Andrew Duncan. All right?
Did you enjoy that tour?
Did you?
We did. Thank Cassandra for that presentation. Lovely presentation. All right. If you enjoyed that video, I want you to leave us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. All right. And as Cass said, Andrew Duncan, listening agent, details down below as well for purchasing. All right. Thanks for joining us. All right. Stay tuned. We're gonna be having our scheduled uploads on a Sunday and a Thursday.
Right. So look out for those, all right? So yeah, every Sunday, every Thursday, we are here with you on YouTube.
Yes.
And we want your support. So support us by subscribing. Support us by giving us a thumbs up and turning on your post notification bell. And support us by sharing our content.
Yes. And if you are interested in becoming an Airbnb host, remember our affiliate link is also in the description. Click on it, become an Airbnb host. We get a kickback, you get a kickback as well.
Yes.
All right. So,
and if you are interested in contacting us, remember to use our Instagram handles that are attached to this video.
Yes.
And also email us at thedevelppmentfamily@gmail.com.
Yes. So we out, guys.
Peace.